Are you a woman-owned business? Then you may qualify to apply for GLOW, Guaranteed Loans for Women. Account registration. To start, visit BOI's website www.boi.ng. Click on the GLOW icon. Click on the Register button. Follow the prompts to register and create an account. Enter your BVN and NIN and click on the Validate buttons. Complete the form with the relevant information. Create a password. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Register button. You will receive an email to verify your email address. Click on the Verify Email Address button. Now, you've successfully registered. To apply, click on the Login button. Proceed to fill in your business details. Name of business, registration number, TIN, location, and attach the required documents. The loan amount and use of funds selected will determine what documentation will be required of you. Complete the fields for additional business details. Upload all required attachments. Click on the Submit button. Confirmation of submission will be sent to your registered email address. You can track the status of your application on the portal. For further inquiries, please email customercare@boi.ng. Grow your business with GLOW. Start today. GLOW, Guaranteed Loans for Women.